we're here in St. Augustine. There was a hurricane or a tropical storm, what, 3 days ago?
Yeah. Yes.
And so we're staying at the beach and we decided to leave because we would have had to basically be with the RV with all the slides in.
Yeah. No power.
No power, running off generator, and just, sounds exciting, but we had work to do, so we went to a hotel. I found a hotel outside of town, drove the RV there, parked it in the lot, and hunkered down for a couple of days. This is about 30 knots of wind, and the storm is supposed to be coming in tomorrow and the next day, so we'll see. We're going to see if we're going to stay. But you can see the height. This is high tide, so it's like 6 foot. We are parked over here, over the dunes. So we'll see if we're going to leave.
Because we came to the RV park and it's Florida, so they're like, no biggie. But once we sort of got some information about how you have to maintain the RV for your safety, like bringing the slides in, that kind of stuff, and then the power went out, and we were both just like upset and frustrated. But also just a lot of work to move in and out of your house, as you can imagine. But we were like, okay, how do we want to experience this inconvenience, you know? And so I just decided, like, what's the opportunity here for me? And it was kind of fun in the end. And we brought the Katz brothers in there, and they were adaptable because they're also adaptable. And it was amazing.
Standing on the end of the St. Augustine Pier. I don't know if it's the St. Augustine Pier, it's the fishing pier. Check out these waves. It's breaking way out. Tomorrow, I think they're going to be about double this height. And it's pretty damn windy. So this is going to be interesting. I'm trying to get more information to see what we should do. And we're leaving. It's already starting to flood here, so yeah, we're gonna get out of here so we can work and not be in this environment. I don't know if the storm surge will come over, but this place is definitely gonna flood. We're just packing up and going to stay in this hotel right out the storm. Got the RV parked here, and a couple of days in the hotel. Hopefully the RV won't get destroyed. New parking spot just got moved on. Let's try this. I backed it into the wind, but it is by a lot of trees, so I don't know how smart this is. Hopefully it didn't blow into it. What's going on? Getting all the stuff ready. Okay. Fairly close to the limit of what I am willing to do today. Where are we going, Fergus? Going into the hotel. Our room we're staying in for the hurricane. I'm gonna move the RV the way of these trees. Just feel like I don't want anything falling on it. go. Kind of backed in that little angle, so yeah, we'll see. I'm inside the RV and the storm's hitting outside, and the funny thing is the power's gone off in the hotel, so the RV actually has power, so it's probably, if we're going to work, it's better to work inside the RV. So we'll see. 200 electricians staying at the hotel, but I don't think they prioritize the power in the hotel because they've got a generator, so maybe we'll be inside the RV today. This is mental. Completely flooded. Crazy. Downtown St. Augustine.
Woohoo!
Moving back to
Back
the
to
RV.
Andy.
Back to Andy if I can reach the controls. See the old shoreline would just slope down, or at least come from the bottom of the stairs there, and it's just come all the way back with the surf, because the winds were just coming, pushing the water onto the beach. Yeah, I think with moving around, it was a lot, and yeah, there was a point when I was trying to bring the cats out of the RV back into the hotel, and I was just like, yeah, I'm kind of over this. I had a moment where I was just like, I don't want to do this right now.
Well, it's a lot, right?
It's just a lot. It's just like moving back and forth back. It's kind of fun and novelty, and then yeah, it just got to the point where I was like, oh, god damn, like moving all this stuff constantly back and forth. And, you know, the car's just full of crap, and you know, moving the cats, moving the litter, moving the
air
little trash
purifier.
can, the air purifier,
And that,
food,
yeah.
water. Like,
Well, that was the other thing.
ugh.
Like, we didn't want to eat hotel food for 3 days, so we had food in our fridge. So we brought as much food as we could.
It's good. And then I took it back. I just got a cart from the bellman and just wheeled it back through the parking lot outside the RV and just shoved it inside. The RV was fine. The winds were, I don't know if they got past like 40, 50 mile an hour gusts. But when I came down, I think it was Thursday morning, to the beach, it was definitely buffeting the car, but it was just a tropical storm. But I wouldn't want to be in a full-blown Category 2 hurricane.
I just like the way that you say hurricane. Hurricane.
Anyway, we adapted.
We adjusted.
We checked out some of St. Augustine. It's a beautiful, ancient, for America town. Beautiful old buildings. The old fort, you've got Anastasia State Park, the lighthouse. You've got these kind of crappy looking waves which are actually quite good for foiling. And yeah, after the hurricane, they were really clean. That's it.